Check this out, everybody. I'm on a bridge over the mighty Oigawa River, and the river's flooded right now. And I spotted something on the river bar there. Look at that. Do you see that? It looks like a scarecrow, but there are no crops or no farm or anything. But isn't that a scarecrow? Wearing a cute hat? It's a hard hat, isn't it? And a shirt? Why? A curiosity. Along this riverbank. Interesting. River Scarecrow. Hello everybody. Have you got a spirit for adventure? Are you eager to see strange things like this weird flower growing in the forest? To meet other people like yourself who share your passion not just for the wild places of the urban and outdoor settings, but also the wild places of the mind? Then come hang with us over at the Softypapa Forum. We're just a fun bunch of people getting together, sharing about ourselves and about our lives, and we'd love to have you with us. I'll put the link down in the info section. softypapa.net, if I do say so myself. It's getting easier to say that. softypapa.net, whatever. It's just a place for us to hang out together. Take care, friends.